Welcome to the call, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Mark Hamlin, and I'm really excited about the information we're going to share with you over the next few minutes. If you're here for the first time, take out a pen and piece of paper. You're absolutely going to want to take down notes. And then immediately following the call, get in contact with the person who invited you here. They'll walk you through the process, show you how to get started, get all your questions answered, and we look forward to you celebrating your success. So with that, let's get started. I'd like to welcome all of you to My Car Club. It's all about putting you and I behind the wheel of our dream cars. So what is My Car Club? It is a subscription-based club membership with referral incentives that will require significant effort and dedication in order for you to achieve your success. The main thing we want you to understand is that the representations that we share with you over the next few minutes are not guarantees of income. They are simply informational for informational purposes so that you can get a general idea of how this works. And with that said, let's get started. So this is an exclusive membership club, ladies and gentlemen, that has benefits. So the first thing you're going to receive, of course, is going to be a membership card that's going to have a QR code on the back of it. We have two memberships. You're going to hear about that, the basic membership and the platinum membership. Also, you're going to learn a lot about cars by way of our weekly newsletters. You're going to learn how to be a good steward of the vehicles that you have, how to shop for the best insurance policies, how to buy cars, the best way to save money when you make purchases, and how to take care of minor repairs and things like that as well. Also, you'll have discounts to car-related events such as car shows and the racers and things of that nature. And we have exclusive webinars where we will teach you things such as how to detail your car, how to make minor repairs, and other basic things as it comes to taking care of your vehicles. So not only that, ladies and gentlemen, you have the opportunity to get a luxury car. We're going to break that down for you, as well as the opportunity to earn recurring monthly residuals. Let's talk about that. So first of all, this is all about getting in your dream car. We're talking about all you need to do is gas it up, charge it up, and drive, ladies and gentlemen. We're talking about a luxury car up to about $40,000. It could be brand new or certified pre-owned. It could be gas. It could be electric. But here's the thing. The insurance is taken care of. The maintenance is taken care of. The road tax is taken care of. And so is the breakdown coverage. All these things are all inclusive. And if for some reason you don't want the car, you will get $1,000 a month. Or let's say you're in a country where it's very difficult to get a car to you because of the laws and regulations, you will get $1,000 a month in place of the car. So what does it take to get started? So there is an account setup fee of $165, but right now that's discounted, $55. And after the discount, you're looking at $110 plus your first month subscription. So all you need to get started is about $143. You can pay that with debit, credit, or cryptocurrency. So now let's talk about the fast track bonus. Now, one of the things you're going to learn in this program, our goal is to personally refer at least 3 people or more to the program. And when you do that, you will earn a $55 direct bonus. So you refer Paul, that's $55, Sarah, that's $55, and Jane, that's an additional $55. But if you do that within 30 days, ladies and gentlemen, you will earn a fast track bonus of $110. So your goal, our goal, is to help you get to the point where you can generate this $275 in earnings within your first 24 hours. But if you do it within at least 30 days, you qualify for that fast track bonus. So very powerful. You're in profit right away. And that's one of the things we like about the program. So now you may ask, how do you get a car? That's what I really want to know about. Well, let's talk about it. We talked about personally referring at least 3 people, right? And we want to teach them to do the same so that they can also earn that $275 as soon as possible. We're simply going to repeat this process and teach everyone to do the same. We only need to do this a couple more times. And now you have 3 teams of 40, which is the perfect scenario. And now you have 120 subscribers. And guess what? You become what we call a champion club member, and you're now qualified to get the luxury car. So you can build it the way that you see it on the screen, which is the most effective way, or you can personally go out and refer 120 people direct to yourself. That's entirely up to you. So now we talked about getting the car and what it takes. You're literally building a team or a community of 120 subscribers to qualify for the car. But here's the thing, when your team, when it grows beyond that to 240 subscribers, not only do you have the car, you have $1,500 in residual income every month, ladies and gentlemen. But it doesn't stop there. As your team and community continues to grow to 360 subscribers, you now go from $1,500 a month to $4,000 a month in addition to the car. And as your community continues to grow, you go to $7,000 a month and then to $10,000 a month when you have a team of 600 subscribers, ladies and gentlemen. Now, here's the thing I want you to know. It doesn't stop there. It actually gets better, but we're going to get back to that in just a moment. So what I want you to understand is the benefits of membership when you decide to become a platinum member. And you do that by simply subscribing to a yearly membership. To do that, all you pay is $360 in addition to the $110 sign-up fee, and that will give you 12 months, a 12-month subscription. Basically, you're getting 12 months for the price of 11. And what are the benefits of membership? Well, you're going to save a ton of money on merchandise because we've got a ton of merchandise for you, car-related merchandise, as well as discounts on event tickets. We spoke about that, and discounts on other charges, as well as an awesome upgraded back office and a platinum card that will have your QR code on the back of it, your name and your phone number, which makes it very easy for you to share the program with others by word of mouth. All right, so the program has also created a very powerful win-win situation. I'm going to talk to you about it right now. It's called the no claim bonus. This enables you and I to qualify at 50% qualification in order to get that dream car. We call this the vacation savings plan, ladies and gentlemen. What does that mean? Well, we talked about qualifying for the car. You're simply building a community of 120 subscribers. But here's the thing, when you stay with the program for at least 2 years, you've paid your subscription for 2 years, ladies and gentlemen, you've got the option to take an expense paid holiday, or you can reduce your requirement to get the car to $99. And if you stay in the program for 3 years, ladies and gentlemen, and you don't use that benefit, now you can take an even better luxury vacation, and your requirement to get the car reduces to 90. And as you can see, it continues to reduce, and you get a better holiday the longer you stay in the program, and it maxes it out at a 50% qualification of only 60 subscribers, and you get a luxury holiday or vacation for 2. Now, I've got a short video, which is about 1 minute long, which explains this in detail.
MyCarClub.com No Claim Bonus. No Claim Bonus is designed to create a win-win scenario for people who have not yet achieved the car bonus. If you have not qualified for the car by the end of year 2, the company gives you 2 options. You can either take a holiday or qualify for the car with just 99 people instead of 120. The good part is that even when you take holiday, you don't lose the people you have signed up with in your team. Just that criteria remains 120. Upon completion of year 3, the company gives you 2 options again. You can either take a luxury holiday or reduce the criteria further and get your car with just 90 people. It gets even easier. At the end of year 4, you can qualify for a car with 78 people only, or take a resort holiday. Finally, at the end of year 5, you can either get a holiday for 2 or reduce your criteria to just 50%. That means you can qualify for your luxury car by just referring 1 person a month, 60 people in 60 months. And this means almost everyone can qualify for a car.
All right. Very, very powerful. So in a nutshell, ladies and gentlemen, if you personally refer just 1 person a month for 60 months, you can still qualify for a car. But here's the thing, if it took you 4 years to get the car, that would be good, wouldn't it? Or 3 years, even 2 years, even 1 year, or even 6 months to get a car, that would be awesome. And that can be done with MyCarClub. Now, there are some additional features to the program. So people often ask, well, what is the product? Well, we showed you some of the benefits of membership, but the primary product, ladies and gentlemen, is a mobile app. And the app is currently available in the Google Play Store and will be available in the Apple Store very soon. So what does this app do for you? Well, first of all, it allows you to access all of your membership information. It also has live news feed inside of the app. It also is a team management team. If once you decide to promote the program and share with others, you'll be able to manage all that right through the app. You can manage your subscription, buy gifts, vouchers. You can withdraw your commissions. You also have instant customer support through the app, a media gallery, and push notifications so that you can stay in touch with all the things that are going on with the amazing program and keep your team members up to date as well. I call it a business in a box. It's pretty phenomenal. And this is what you get along with your membership. So now I mentioned to you that when you get that $10,000 a month, that it doesn't stop there, that there is much more. The company has introduced this amazing, powerful matching bonus, ladies and gentlemen. What does that mean? Once you get to that $10,000 residual level, as what we call Champion 100, when someone else within your team gets to Champion 40, meaning they're earning $4,000 a month, guess what? You earn a 50% match, which is $2,000 a month. Or when someone else in your team gets to Champion 70, meaning they're earning $7,000 a month, you earn a 50% match, which is $3,500 a month. And when someone in your team reaches Champion 100, just like you, ladies and gentlemen, you earn $5,000 a month. And this can happen many, many times based on the number of people that do that within your team, as long as there's not another Champion 100 between you and them. Hopefully you caught that. But here's the thing, that's not just all of it, there is more. When you become a Champion 100, ladies and gentlemen, and you continue to grow and build this membership base, guess what? You can start all over with another 120 members. And not only do you have one car, you can get a second car along with that $10,000 a month. And let's just say you don't want two cars, then you can get a car equal to the value of two cars, ladies and gentlemen. You can truly get and drive a supercar. But it doesn't stop there. As that second position continues to grow, you continue to get that residual income that would come along with that. And so in this case, when that second position becomes a Champion 70, you've got $7,000 a month plus the $10,000 a month. And it doesn't stop there, it continues. And this is endless. There is no limit to what you can earn. And so if you are a big leader or you know someone who is a big influencer, this may appeal to them because they like to make large amounts of money. And this is something that you can set your sights on as well. So now that completes the overview, but I really want to close with this example. Have you ever seen a really beautiful building? You know, there's a lot of great buildings out. You know, we just came back from Dubai, and of course that place is filled with, extraordinary buildings. And when you think about those buildings, I want you to think about what it took to build that building. It was a lot of people with various skills. You know, the architect, he couldn't do what the steel workers do. And the steel worker can't do what the electricians do. The electricians can't do what the concrete masons do. Everybody brings their A game, ladies and gentlemen, and everybody benefits from the success of that project. It's the same way here. Everybody does their part. When you combine your effort with my effort, guess what? Some amazing things happen. And that's exactly what's happening in MyCarClub. So listen, get in contact with the person who invited you on the call. We look forward to partnering up with you so that you can win, and we can do some amazing things, not only for our family, but for our communities. We thank you so much for joining us. Again, get in contact with the person who invited you on the call, and we look forward to working with you. Thank you so much. Everyone have an awesome evening. Good night.